How to fix Instagram gallery photo not showing problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram gallery photo not showing problem. So guys, I will show you. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram. After searching the Instagram, you have to check whether the Instagram is asking for an update or not. Here is it, or they are asking for an update, so you have to update it if they are asking for an update, and then go back and check whether your photo is showing in your Instagram or not, your gallery is showing on your Instagram or not. And then the second step is, what you have to do is you have to restart your phone. You have to restart your phone and then reopen your device, and then you can check your Instagram gallery photos, it is showing or not. It will be solved. So guys, if the problem doesn't work, then just go back, and then what you have to do is go to your phone settings. Go to your phone settings and then scroll down and go for install apps or app management or app manager. I have app management, so I will go to app management and then search for Instagram. Here is it. Click on Instagram, and guys, you can see here force stop. So you have to click on force stop and you have to stop the force here. So you have to click on this red button. You can see here it has written force stop. Just click on force stop, and then again you have to click on storage uses. You can see here storage uses. Click to storage uses, and then you have to clear all the data here and also the caches here. Now go back and click on the permission. You can see here permissions. Click here, and then you have to allow all the permission here. As I have already allowed the permission, you also have to allow the permission, and go back to your Instagram, and then click to the plus button and see your gallery is showing or not. Yeah, it is showing. So this is how you can fix Instagram gallery photo not showing problem. Thanks for watching.